Right, quick video. Something arrived. It's a birthday present from my bruv in Watford, and been after one for a while. He was good enough to send it down. Thank you very much, bruv. It's very nice. I know exactly what it is. It's a Kata Grip 18DL, which is a holster bag for your DSLR. Very lightweight. It's meant to be really well padded, but we'll see about that in a minute. So let's have a look. Strap inside, a couple of little cushions. In there, there's a Velcro, putting your cards in. There's a couple of little pockets. See in there. Little pockets for SD cards and enough room in there to get a couple of batteries, nicely padded on the sides there, this bit here and that bit on that side, padded at the bottom, at the back, all the way round, and that's it. It's pretty simple really. You've got a rain cover. There you go. Strap. Quick release carabiners. There you have it. Oh, there's two side pockets as well, so you got it on. They go down. Very bright material, so you can tell if the pocket's open. I think that's the idea. Belt clips on the back there, put your belt on. Carry handle, pretty big. That's better. Camera goes straight in there, lens down, take it out. Okay. Thanks very much, bruv. Excellent. Let's give you a buzz in a bit. It's elasticated. Put it over the bottom first. We've got two little holes there. One on either side, that's for the strap to go through.